Welcome to our video. Today we are diving into the impressive safety credentials of the TATA Curvv, including both its coupe SUV and electric variant. Tata Motors continues to lead the way with high safety ratings, and the Curvv is no exception. We'll explore its standout features, crash test results, and what these ratings mean for consumers. Both the TATA Curvv and its electric counterpart have achieved a remarkable 5-star rating in Bharat NCAP crash tests. This makes the Curvv the fifth model from TATA to earn this prestigious recognition. These ratings are critical in today's market, where safety is a top priority for buyers. Let's start with the Curvv EV. The Curvv empowered a 55 variant showcased outstanding results, scoring 30.81 out of 32 for adult occupant protection and an impressive 44.83 out of 49 in child occupant protection. This vehicle excelled in critical crash tests, including the frontal offset deformable barrier test, where it scored an incredible 15.66 out of 16, and the side movable deformable barrier test with a score of 15.15 out of 16. These results highlight the robust protection it offers to both drivers and passengers, particularly in vulnerable areas like the head, chest, and abdomen. Let's break down what these crash test scores mean. The frontal offset deformable barrier test simulates a head-on collision with another vehicle, assessing how well the car protects its occupants during such a scenario. The high score indicates that the Curvv EV's design effectively absorbs and dissipates crash energy. The side movable deformable barrier test assesses side impact protection, a crucial factor considering that side collisions can be particularly dangerous. The Curvv EV's strong performance here further reinforces its status as a safe vehicle for everyday use. When it comes to child occupant protection, the Curvv EV scored an impressive 23.82 out of 24, achieving a perfect 12 out of 12 in child restraint system installation. This underscores Tata's commitment to ensuring the safety of younger passengers. The inclusion of ISOFIX anchor points makes it easier to securely install child seats, offering peace of mind for parents. Now, turning to the internal combustion engine version of the Curvv. Although it didn't quite reach the EV scores, it still performed admirably. The Curvv accomplished a diesel manual variant scored 29.50 out of 32 for adult occupant protection, with solid results in both the frontal and side barrier tests 14.65 and 14.85 out of 16 respectively. In child occupant protection, it also delivered commendable scores, totaling 43.66 out of 49. These figures show that even the ICE variant provides excellent safety features, making it a reliable option for families. Both the EV and ICE variants come equipped with a comprehensive suite of safety features. Standard across the range are 6 airbags, which include front, side and curtain airbags, providing extensive protection in the event of a collision. Additionally, electronic stability control is crucial for maintaining control during adverse conditions such as slippery roads or sudden turns. Seatbelt reminders help ensure that all passengers are buckled up, while pedestrian protection features aim to minimize injuries in the unfortunate event of a collision with a pedestrian. Beyond ratings, real-world performance is crucial. Users have reported that the TATA Curvv feels solid and well-built, contributing to a sense of safety while driving. The vehicle's handling and stability have been praised, particularly in urban environments where quick maneuvers are necessary. In comparison to competitors in its segment, the Curvv holds its own. Many vehicles offer safety features, but few achieve the high ratings seen with the Curvv. This makes it a strong contender for buyers who prioritize safety without compromising on style or performance. In summary, the TATA Curvv stands out not only for its stylish design but also for its exceptional safety performance. With top ratings from Bharat NCAP and a range of advanced safety features, it's a vehicle you can trust for your family's safety. What do you think about the safety ratings of the TATA Curvv? Do you believe these ratings influence your car buying decision? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more automotive insights. Thanks for watching.